Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. So we're here again on our vlog. So ayun guys, magluluto tayo ng chicken soup unlimited. So ito pala guys is napaka-simple, fast and easy. So ang gamit pala natin guys is isang buong manok. So isang buong manok guys is 12 dirhams. So nasa mga 180 pesos yan. So yun guys, yan yung ating condiments, papaya, onions, garlic, chili, at ginger. So yan guys, maya maya i-mix ko na yan. So yun naman palang manok guys is na marinate ko na yan. So yan, susutay na natin yung ating onion, garlic, and turmeric. So mekos. So yan guys, lagay ko na yung ating marinated chicken. So yan, mekos lang hanggang sa magkulay. So yan guys, magkulay na yung ating turmeric. So maya maya ilalagay na natin yung ating chicken stock na pinakulo ang buto-buto ng manok. So yan guys, napakasarap nito guys. At ang trivia pala guys is ito pala turmeric is napakaganda to sa ating katawan guys. Marami itong vitamins, antioxidants. So yan guys, nalagay ko na yung ating onion, lemongrass, tsaka ginger na additional at chili. So yan guys, nang kumulo na, mekos lang, maya maya guys, maluluto na yan. So yan guys, ilagyan din natin yung ating green papaya. Ito para yung magpapasarap at magpapatamis ng ating soup. So yan guys, natapos na rin. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood. God bless you all. Bye bye.